Hey, welcome everybody to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Donnie here, and today we got a brand new product. We have the SNAPTAIN. This is the A15H 4-axis foldable drone. So this one's actually pretty cool. They do provide two batteries with this one, so that makes it really nice. You can find this company here on Amazon, so I'll leave a link down in the descriptions. This one in the app, you have voice control. You also have like a flight planner as well. Of course, this has the normal bells and whistles, so that's photo and video, which it's only in the app, so you don't have a DVR player on this one. So there's a slot on the side that's empty, so don't put a memory card in there, guys. I'll show you that in a minute. You got altitude hold, one key return, one key takeoff and land, plus you have headless mode, 360 flip, and emergency stop. So it's got everything on it, guys. We'll have to check out the app. It's SNAPTAIN app, so I'll show you that in the flight later. But let me get this open and show you what comes inside, so stay tuned. All right, I got everything out of the box. So first of all, I'm going to start with the little bag, the storage bag, which is felt. It feels pretty nice. I guess you can put looks like you could put the drone and probably maybe fit the controller, but I think this is mostly just to fit the drone in here. Inside, you're going to find the owner's manual, which is really well detailed. It's in English, Dutch, French, Espanol, and Italiano. So we got quite a few countries in here. So first part of the manual is going to be English. So you got all your functions here. It's all well labeled. Tells you how to calibrate the gyros. So make sure you read your manual first, everybody, for any product that you end up buying. So there's the manual. I'm going to go actually to the controller first, which is well labeled. I give SNAPTAIN kudos for that. So, thank you for labeling your controller. That way you don't have to you don't have to mark them on here yourself or take the manual with you every time. Everything's here. Well listed. These two buttons here do not work, so might have been for another model. So don't worry about those buttons there that aren't labeled. Everything's labeled on here. There's no video or record on the controller. That is from the app only. So, all right, next we got the prop guards. Gives you 4 prop guards. They look pretty thin, so I probably won't be using these in the flight, so I'm going to keep those off, but at least they do provide those. All right, I pulled one of these prop guards out for those who don't know how to put them on this drone. So let me fold one of the legs out so you can see. There's actually a little piece right here that just pops out. And you want to just put that in your little pouch thing to put it off the side there. That way you don't lose it. Or you can keep them off. I usually keep them off to vent the motors so they don't get too hot. It'll give it more cool air to run in there when you don't use these. So these actually have a little snap thing. You can push this down to pull them back out, but they just slide right in. So you just slide that in, and there you go. There's a prop guard, so it's pretty simple. And then all you have to do is just push this little button, and then it pops right back out. See, pretty simple. All right, next I want to show you the accessories. You got the USB charger. You got a set of 8 propellers because these are foldable, so you get 8 of these replacements. And also you get the little Phillips screwdriver. It's inside the pack there. The other thing is that I give a big thumbs up to with SNAPTAIN is they sent 2 proprietary batteries with this when you order it. That makes it so nice because a lot of companies don't do that, and you only get about a 8-minute to 10-minute flight with these at times, and then you have to wait a few hours. But they provide one more, so you get to fly even longer. These, of course, are proprietary batteries. This is where the charge port is on that, and you see it's just a little needle style plug, so that just pops in there. This will let you know when it's charged from the little light in the USB charger. So with these batteries, I'm not sure if you can see them on here. It's probably in the book what size they are. I'll just go and leave it right here on the side so you guys can see what size batteries those proprietary batteries are. So now here's the drone itself, which is really nice. You got a couple lights, actually, yeah, a couple lights here, I believe. Yeah, two lights here, and then it actually has a light back here. So I'll pull one of the batteries out in a second and show you. But you unfold the back first, and then the front, and they just lock in. You can feel it when it goes, and that locks it in. There's no lever underneath here. There's no lever underneath here, so you don't have to press no lever to fold it back up. So it does have a adjustable camera. Doesn't point all the way down, but that's okay. At least it points straight forward so you can get a better shot. Got some little landing legs there, so makes it pretty nice. They did a pretty good little clone on this one of the Mavic Pro for a toy style. So you do have the power button on top. Here's that USB slot I was telling you about. It is not a USB slot. That's just a vent hole. So don't put an SD card in there. You have to record from the app. So let me go and grab one of these batteries real quick. I'll put it in there so you can actually see the lights. This will just slide in the back here. The grill side will be the inside, and it just snaps in like so. It's really not that strong in there. It would have to slide back this way and then fall out if it was going to fall. But as you can see, this little deal here, it slides right in there and kind of locks in, so should be okay. So you just press the button once, and it's just a press button. You just press it once, and to shut it off, you'll have to hold it. But here's the lights. There's that blue light, so that's pretty nice. So you could see where the back is. You got lights on the sides, which makes it nice. Lights in the front and on the sides as well where the motors are. So pretty cool. And this is a brushed motor. So, but anyways, all right, guys. When the weather gets a little bit better, I'll take this out for a flight. So I apologize, no flight today. It's windy and raining. So I do want to thank the guys at SNAPTAIN for sending this out for a review. I'll get a flight as soon as possible, so you want to hit that subscribe, like button. Make sure you hit the notifications so you can look for this flight here as soon as the weather clears up. So, all right, everybody, thanks for watching. God bless. Cheers, and happy flying.